Does your home have a fruit fly problem? It's really not hard to contract fruit flies. Once you bring fresh fruit home from the grocery store or the farmer's market, fruit flies just come along with them sometimes for the ride. And now that you're in your home, they can keep reproducing because they use the liquid that's down in your sink's drain to keep making new babies. You can try pouring boiling water down into the sink to kill all those eggs, or you can try costly essential oils to help remedy the problem. But many of these ways are not 100% effective, and all it takes is 2 fruit flies to remain, and they can reproduce and you can have the problem all over again. And that's why it's important that when you get fruit flies to go with the triple Bs, bears, beets, and Battlestar Galactica. No, not really. The triple B's when it comes to getting rid of fruit flies is the BestBugBait. BestBugBait is a really green company because they repurpose bottle caps and make them effective at getting rid of pests in your home. It's good for more than fruit flies too: roaches, ants, silverfish, water bugs, moths, and more. Today I'm focusing on fruit flies, and when you have a fruit fly problem, all you have to do is take one of these bottle caps and put it in a tiny little cup and fill it up with about 1/4 of an inch of water. You can use a toothpick or some other stick and just kind of agitate the green solution at the bottom to loosen it up and mix it into the water. You can even make it more attractive to fruit flies if you add a teeny bit of apple cider vinegar. I really wanted to show you a video of the fruit fly infestation, but I product tested this about a month ago, and I don't have any more fruit flies in my home to show you. So as far as I'm concerned, this is Green Tip Guy approved. It's people, pet, and planet friendly. And what's so cool is that they're effective for 3 to 6 months. But like I say, I only needed it for about a month before it completely took care of the fruit fly problem. So if you have fruit fly problems, remember the triple B's and get you some BestBugBait from BestBugBait.com. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.